Hello everybody in our channel, fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unlock the mysteries of cryptocurrency's world with me, Steven, your guide through this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. In today's video, we'll share with you a new project that's called greencats.site. But before we dive into this crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not a financial or investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. So don't forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. Hello everybody, in the second part of this video we will talk on details about our project Greener Cat. So welcome to what it's like the first community driven the real mission token project Greener Cat. What is the real mission token? It's similar to regular token, but in addition of that, it sets a goal for itself, a mission to bring something positive to the world in untangible dimension. It aims to draw attention at certain topics, something significant that can concern all of us, regardless who we are, where we live, and what we do on daily basis. It seeks to prompt a moment of reflection, inspiration sometimes. And Greener Cat has its own mission. It wants to draw your attention to our immediate environment of encouraging you to reflect on your interaction with it. Aren't you already sick of this crypto project whose only message by me? If so, Greener Cat is going to heal you. So once again, welcome to Greener Cat, the healer on a mission. So let's go to the pre-sale to see the pre-sale page. First of all, this pre-sale is first form of GCAT token distribution. There has been no private sale or initial sale before this. This is no one who has acquired any amount lower price. The only holders are the team of creators, but their resources will be locked for a period of 1 year from the end of the pre-sale. Secondly, the pre-sale has only one stage at its end marks the end of entire pre-sale. Use the contract address below to add the token to your wallet. GCAT's contract, we can check it from here. Pre-sale contract is also here, and they said please do not send any tokens to this address as they will be lost. Pre-sale is number. Pre-sale in number, as you see, this is the amount of GCATs. Now soft caps 800 BNB, minimum by 0.1 BNB, and you can check all this by clicking buy GCATs in pink cell. Pre-sale rules: after the end of the pre-sale, if the soft cap has been reached, you will be able to claim your GCAT tokens. If the soft cap has been reached, you will be able to claim your funds back. Bonuses: the first 200 participants will receive a 10% bonus of GCAT tokens. The next 201, a bonus of 6%. There will be no other bonuses. Furthermore, bonuses will not be available immediately after the end of the pre-sale. They will be awarded through an airdrop 2 months and after end of pre-sale. Every pre-sale participant will receive a reward of 5%, and this is some condition to receive the pre-sale from following in Twitter, also in Discord, and email the project here. Rewards: the 5% token airdrop will take place 1 month after the end of the pre-sale. In this way, they are starting in the first edition of a rewarding initiative Greener Cat community member, and they will choose share reports submitted basis as subjective feelings for rewards. Let's go now to our white paper. So why choosing Greener Cat? This is a spiritual project, and you can read all the white paper to see the vision of the owner of this project. Why and who, and token characteristic from the name, symbol, tokenomics we have already talked about. Taxes, no tax, no fees, and the roadmap, the 3 phases, disclaimer, and the legal disclaimer that you must to know it. And you can also download all this by a PDF that will be very detailed. You can also contact the project from here. Just this is the email, the 2 emails of the office, and you can know more about the rewarding by clicking off going on and see the rewarding system and also the t-shirts and the merch of this project. So thank you very much for your trust. I hope I was helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.